Hi, are you considering changing career paths and need to decide what to focus on? Or are you thinking about studying to become a computer networks administrator or engineer? Look no further. This is a course for complete beginners where the most crucial terminology, concepts, and current technologies are explained in the simplest way possible, focusing on helping you truly understand the topics. Here's what we will talk about. First, there's an introductory section where the basic of the basic terminology is introduced, which we will be using throughout the course later on. Then we go through the layers of the OSI model, which is also explained in the introductory section, so no worries there. In the application layer section, we'll discuss some of the most important protocols that pretty much make the internet of today. And also, they are the protocols you already use. I tried to give you some examples to help you easily get a grasp of what those protocols actually do, why they're there, and we even discuss security issues related to some of those protocols. Next up is the transport layer, where we have the two stars, TCP and UDP. Do pay extra attention to those lessons, as TCP and UDP are quite important. Anyway, next section focuses on the network layer, where we talk about the IP address, again, protocols such as DHCP, ICMP, NAT. We also talk about routing and routing protocols, just enough for you to be informed and know the gist around it. The final OSI model layers for us are link and physical, where we discuss switching, the MAC address, virtual LANs, ARP, and its security flaws, with some examples too. We touch upon mobile and wireless networks briefly, as it is not the main focus of this course. However, I believe that you will find points covered in that section rather useful and hopefully interesting too. And finally, our last section is on computer networks security, where today's top malicious attacks are highlighted, as well as two most important network security devices, or call them concepts, firewalls, and intrusion detection / prevention systems. One thing to keep in mind, although I do mention this in the lessons too, there will be simulation files available with the lessons that do have a simulation included, and you can find those under the lesson itself in the resources part. The simulations are made in Cisco Packet Tracer, which is free, and I actually have a free course on how and where to find it, download it, install it, and even some basics on using the software. However, you don't have to even download the files. It's enough to just watch the lessons. I do everything for you in the videos. Wow, now that I've listed all of that, it does sound like a lot, but again, those are just the fundamentals. All right, let's get into learning. Good luck, and let me know what you thought of the course.